Today, we have some fantastic news for all you Midjourney fans out there. The much-awaited version 5.2 is finally here, and it's packed with some incredible new features that we've been eagerly anticipating. One of the most exciting additions is the Zoom Out feature, which lets you expand your existing images by adding more details seamlessly. Now, you can explore your visuals in a whole new way. You might have heard about the Generative Fill feature in Photoshop and Outpainting tools and other software that have been gaining popularity lately. Well, guess what? With Midjourney's latest update, you can achieve similar results right within the app. Let's explore the Zoom Out feature. I am using a custom Discord server to manage my Midjourney images. If you want to learn how to create a custom server for Midjourney, click on the link at the top or link in the description. Let's start by creating an image using Imagine command. The prompt I am using is drone photography, aerial view, rainforest. Let's wait till Midjourney generates default set of images for the prompt. Now, we have 4 images for our prompt. Let's choose 4th image and upscale it. Now, we have the upscaled image. You will notice that there are a few new options under the upscaled image. These are the zoom out options introduced in Midjourney version 5.2. There are 3 options called Zoom Out 2x, Zoom Out 1.5x, Custom Zoom. Let's start with Zoom Out 1.5x option. Once clicked, it will start with the upscaled image and zoom out 1.5 times. So, the newly generated image will have the original image in distance, while adding more details around it. Let's upscale one of the newly generated images. Now, we are going to use Zoom Out 2x option. This will use already zoomed out image, and zoom out 2 times further. Now, the final image shows wide area of the scene around the river, compared to the small area we had in original image. As you already know, this feature is still in very early stages. However, the outputs we are getting is truly amazing even in initial stage. Let's try a few more examples. The prompt we are using now is, create landscape art in a painting style. These are the 4 images for the initial prompt. Let's use the same process to upscale and zoom out. As you can see, we have another amazing image with more details than the original one. Now, we are going to look at the custom zoom option. Let's create another image using Imagine command. This time the prompt is, paddy fields, vivid illustration. These are the 4 images for the initial prompt. Let's use the same process to upscale and zoom out. This time, we will be using custom zoom option. Once the button is clicked, we will get a pop-up box like this. It contains prompt, aspect ratio and the zoom level. Let's update the zoom level as 3 and see what happens. As expected, we get an error. Currently zoom level has to be between 1 and 2. Let's try again with 1.6 as the zoom value. It works and we get a zoomed out image at 1.6 scale. Let's upscale one of the 4 options. Now, we have the upscaled image. Custom zoom option also allows us to change the aspect ratio, as well as the image. Let's use the custom zoom option, and change the prompt. New prompt is, paddy fields with a house in the middle, vivid illustration. Let's also change the aspect ratio, from 1:1 to 16:9, to make it widescreen. Let's see what happens now. Now, we have a wider image with 16:9 aspect ratio. The image has been zoomed out again to include more details. The most important thing is, now we have a house in the middle. Midjourney was able to keep style and other details of original image, as well as add new details we requested. In this brief introduction, we looked at how to use Zoom Out feature in Midjourney 5.2. The results were amazing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more AI-related videos.